Let us now discuss about the topic Simple Cubic Crystal Structure SCC. It is the simplest and easiest crystal structure. In this structure, there is one atom at each of the 8 corner atoms of the unit cell. These atoms touch each other along cube edges. This structure is very rare in metals. Figure shows these 8 corner atoms. This all sides lengths are equal. This length is considered A. This each corner atoms sharing by 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8 for 8 corner atoms sharing it. Next, characteristics of the unit cell for SCC. First one, number of atoms present per unit cell. A simple cubic unit cell consists of 8 corner atoms. Figure shows the each and every corner atom is shared by 8 adjacent unit cells. One corner atom contributes 1 by 8 of the parts to one unit cell. Therefore, share of each unit cell equal to 1 by 8 of corner atoms. 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1. The total number of corner atoms present one unit cell equal to 1 atom. Next characteristic, coordination number. The number of the nearest neighboring atoms to a particular atom X is known as the coordination number. For simple cubic unit cell, the coordination number is 6. You see this diagram, center point X, the surrounding nearest neighboring atoms 6. Next, third characteristic, atomic radius. Definition, the half of the distance between the any two successive atoms in the unit cell. Figure shows this unit cell, the nearest two atoms, the half of the distance value 2 or the side length for A. Distance between the center of two nearest atom is equal to the cube edge A. A is the side of the unit cell, R is the radius. 2 are equal to A, R equal to A by 2. Next, fourth characteristic, atomic packing factor or packing density. It is defined as the ratio between the volume occupied by the total number of atoms present per unit cell value small v to the total volume of the unit cell capital V. Atomic packing factor represents APF or packing factor represents PF. APF is equal to the product of total number of atoms present per unit cell into volume of one atom to the total volume of the unit cell. Let us discuss all the above parameters one by one for a simple cubic crystal structure. First, calculated number of atoms present per unit cell equal to 1, volume of atoms in the unit cell small v equal to 1 into volume of one atom 4 by 3 pi r cube. Atomic radius R equal to A by 2. We got to substitute R value. This A by 2, substitute A cube divided by 8. We got to simplify these values. Small v values find out. Total volume of the unit cell capital V equal to all sides lengths are equal. LBH equal to A into A into A equal to A cube. We know that packing factor small v by capital V. Substitute this both values. We have packing factor equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. R value substitute a by 2. You have to simplify this answer. Pi by 6. Pi substitute 3.14 and divided by 6. You have to simplify this answer 0.52. Packing factor or atomic packing factor equal to 0.52. In conversion to the percentage, atomic packing factor equal to 52%. 52% volume is occupied by the atoms and remaining 48% volume is vacant. It is a loosely packed structure. Next, discuss about the topic body-centered cubic crystal structure. In this structure, the corner atoms do not touch each other, but each corner atom touches the body-centered atom along the body diagonal as shown in figure. Therefore, two corner atoms situated at the opposite ends can be joined by drawing a diagonal. Body-centered cubic crystal unit cell has 8 corner atoms and 1 body-centered atom. Total corner atoms 8. Each corner atom is shared by 8 adjacent unit cells. For example, BCC, tungsten, chromium, molybdenum. To find the characteristics of the unit cell for BCC. First characteristic, number of atoms present per unit cell. The unit cell of BCC structure is shown in figure. Each corner atom is shared by 8 surrounding unit cells. Hence, the share of one unit cell equal to 1 by 8 of corner atoms. There are 8 corner atoms. Therefore, contribution of all corner atoms equal to 1 by 8 into 8 would simplify 1 atom. There is 1 atom at the body center of each unit cell. Therefore, total number of atoms in one unit cell equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2 atoms. Second characteristic, coordination number for BCC. A number of nearest neighboring atoms to a particular atom X surrounding in an unit cell. You see this diagram. Body centered atom X consider. The X is surrounded by 8 corner atoms. Therefore, total number of nearest neighboring atom is 8. Third characteristic, atomic radius for BCC. The corner atoms do not touch each other. However, each corner atom touches by the body center atoms. The unit cell of BCC structure is shown in figure. The side of the unit cell is A. Consider the atoms A, G and the center of the unit cell O. The corner atoms A and G are nearest neighboring atoms to the body center atom O. The atoms are joining in a straight line along the body diagonal AG of the cube. AG equal to R plus 2R plus R equal to 4R. The geometrical figure, the diagonal length AG value 4R, and squaring on both sides we get AG squared equal to 4R squared, 16R squared. You see this before diagram from the right angled triangle ABC. diagonal line AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Substituting for AB and BC from the figure, we have AC squared equal to A squared plus A squared. AC squared equal to 2A squared. And the next triangle ACG. This diagonal formula AG squared equal to AC squared plus CG squared. Substituting AG squared, AC squared and CG squared value, we have 4R whole squared equal to 2A squared plus A squared, that is equal to 3A squared. 4 squared R squared equal to 3A squared, or R squared equal to 3A squared by 4 squared. Taking squaring on both sides, we have root R squared equal to root of 3A squared by 4 squared. Again simplified, root of R squared equal to root 3 root A squared divided by root of 4 squared. Therefore R equal to root 3A by 4. Atomic radius for BCC root 3A by 4. And fourth characteristic, atomic packing factor or APF. Number of atoms present per unit cell value 2. Volume of 2 atoms in the unit cell value small v equal to 2 into volume of 1 atom. We would simplify this equation. Atomic radius R equal to root 3A by 4. Volume of the unit cell capital V equal to A cube. Atomic packing factor equal to small v by capital V. Substituting for small v and capital V, we get the answer PF value 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. Substituting for R value, again simplified this atomic packing factor, 8 by 3 pi root 3 cube A cube divided by 4 cube and total divided by A cube. 8 by 3 pi root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Atomic packing factor simplified 8 by 3 pi into 3 root 3 by 64. Packing factor is equal to pi root 3 by 8. Packing factor is equal to 3.14 into root 3 by 8, that is 0.68. Or percentage find out, 68% packing density. Density of packing is high. 68% volume is occupied by the atoms in a unit cell for BCC, and remaining 32% volume is vacant. It is a closely packed structure for the atoms in BCC. Next topic, discuss about the face-centered cubic crystal structure. It consists of 8 corner atoms and 6 face-centered atoms. 6 faces, top and bottom layer, left and right, front to back. 6 faces are identified. The crystal structure, unit cell has 1 atom at each corner atom of the cube and 1 atom at the each center of face-centered atoms. This structure is closely packed because each atom has 12 nearest neighbor atoms. This type of structure is more common in metals. First characteristic, number of atoms present per unit cell for FCC. Total corner atoms 8, each corner atoms are sharing 1 by 8, and 6 face-centered atoms shared by 1 by 2 atoms. number of atoms present per unit cell value is equal to total number of corner atoms into each corner atom shared by 1 by 8 plus each face centered atoms are shared by half into number of face centered atoms. You have to simplify this equation. Number of presented per unit cell value calculated. Next, figure shows the for BCC crystal structure, share of each unit cell equal to 1 by 8 of corner atoms. Number of atoms present per unit cell from the contribution of corner atoms equal to 1 by 8 into 8. Simplify this equation 1 atom. In addition, there are 6 atoms at the 6 face center of the cube. Each face centered atom is shared by 2 adjacent unit cells. Therefore, the share of each unit cell equal to half of face centered atoms. Therefore, number of atoms in the unit cell from the contribution of face centered atom, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 6, 3 atoms. Therefore, total number of atoms per unit cell value equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4 atoms. Second characteristic, coordination number for FCC. You see this diagram. In FCC structure, there are 8 corner atoms and 6 face centered atoms. 6 faces, one at the center of each face of the unit cell. Consider a corner atom X of a unit cell. As shown in the figure, there are 3 mutually perpendicular planes with a common point of intersection on the atom X. In plane 1, it has 4 face centered atoms 1, 2, 3, 4 as nearest neighbors. In plane 2, it has 4 more face centered atoms 5, 6, 7, 8 represents the nearest neighbor atoms for the corner atom X. And plane 3 has 4 more face centered atoms 9, 10, 11, 12 as nearest neighbors to the corner atom X. Therefore, total number of nearest atoms to any corner atom is 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. Hence, coordination number is 12 for FCC crystal structure. Next, third characteristic, atomic radius for FCC. A half of the distance between the any two nearest neighboring atoms. Figure shows the atomic radius diagram. Consider the atoms at A and C in a face of the unit cell of FCC. These atoms lie in a straight line along the face diagonal AC. The atoms touch each other along the face diagonal of the cube. The length of the face diagonal AC equal to R plus 2R plus R equal to 4R. Consider the triangle ABC. The face diagonal is 4R. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Then substituting for AC squared, AB squared and BC squared value from figure, we have AC squared value R plus 2R plus R whole squared equal to A squared plus A squared. Therefore, A is equal to 4R. 4R whole squared equal to A squared plus A squared. 4 squared r squared equal to 2a squared. R squared equal to 2a squared by 4 squared. Taking squaring root on both sides, we have root of r squared equal to root of 2a squared divided by root of 4 squared. That is simplified this equation. Atomic radius r equal to root 2a by 4. Therefore, atomic radius for FCC equal to root 2a by 4. Fourth characteristic, atomic packing factor or packing density. It is defined as the ratio between the number of atoms present per unit cell into volume of one atom to the total volume of the unit cell. First you calculated the number of atoms present per unit cell value 4 atoms. Volume of 4 atoms equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. R values root 2a by 4. The side of the unit cell equal to a. Volume of the unit cell capital V equal to a cube. Atomic packing factor equal to small v by capital V. Substituting this small v and capital V value, we have packing factor equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. 4 into 4 by 3 pi into root 2a by 4 whole cube divided by a cube. We have to simplify this equation. And then simplified after, atomic packing factor equal to pi into 2 root 2 divided by 3 into 4. Packing factor equal to pi root 2 by 6. Pi value 3.14 root 2 by 6, that is 0.74 or 74%. Atomic packing factor equal to 74% for FCC unit cell. Packing density is high. It is highly closely packed structure or tightly packed structure. For example, copper, aluminium, nickel, gold and lead, etc. 74% volume is occupied by the atoms in a unit cell and remaining 26% volume of the unit cell is vacant.